Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel with retail earnings in focus. Valerie, we are watching earnings from Macy's cross the Bloomberg terminal as we speak.
Yes, we are, and they are positive. The Macy's stock is up 6% just after these earnings have been released. The details in this release is that the third quarter total revenue beat estimates, coming in at $4.91 billion. The estimate was for $4.75. They're also adjusted EPS came in better than expected. They had been expecting a loss of 14 cents a share. Wall Street had been expecting a loss of 14 cents a share. The loss was only 9 cents. So this is looking really good for Macy's. The stock is up 6%. Remember that previously when they reported, they did raise their full year guidance in the last quarter, but they did warn of tariff uncertainty and more uncertainty in the economy yet to come. But it does look like Macy's stock is flying off the shelves this morning as their third quarter adjusted total revenue came in better than expected.
And these Macy's earnings are coming hot off the heels of Dollar Tree results. Have investors decided how they feel about what Dollar Tree reported this morning?
Well, the stock originally sank 3%, but it's in the green now. Dollar Tree is up 2%. So it's been all over the place as investors have been absorbing this report, shall I say, that the sales, when it came to net sales, they increased off the back of higher average ticket sales. And that comes despite some weakness in foot traffic. So yes, there is some negatives to that in that they are attracting less customers, but it does seem like the customers they are attracting are spending more money. So on the back of that, they did boost full year adjusted EPS, their forecast for that, and investors seem to like what they hear with a raise when it comes to their guidance for Dollar Tree, up 2% so far this morning.
And investors really seem to like what they got after the close yesterday from American Eagle Outfitters. That stock is still jumping this morning.
It is up 14% in pre-market trade, so adding to the after-hours gains of yesterday. Jumping after the company raised their full-year sales guidance and reported a beat in net revenue, really pointing to a rapid recovery for this apparel company. The stock for American Eagle is up 100% in the last 6 months, and this comes after a string of successful attention-grabbing celebrity campaigns is really paying off, the latest with Travis Kelce and Sydney Sweeney.
Yes, and Martha Stewart, I think, is on board as well. Marvell Technologies adding to the exuberant feel in the micro this morning.
Yeah, let's flip over to the AI trade. Marvell Technologies, the shares are up 10% in pre-market trade. Now, this is a chip maker that has benefited from the boom in infrastructure. They make chips for the infrastructure, AI infrastructure, and the CEO was rather upbeat when it comes to revenues climbing 25% over the next fiscal year when it comes to data center revenue, and mentioned that their custom chip design unit is winning repeat orders from their largest customers. They also announced an acquisition, which I think just shows for investors their confidence that they're able to push into AI infrastructure with this recent acquisition. So Marvell Technology is up 10%.
And finally, Valerie, a new overweight for Oracle.
Yeah, we got to keep abreast of these tech giants. There's a new overweight at Wells Fargo for Oracle, and the shares are up 2% in pre-market trade off the back of this. The analysts are writing that Oracle is in pole position due to its key accounts relationships with OpenAI to really take some market share in the cloud business, which they see Oracle could reach about 16% of the total cloud market by 2029. Now, this overweight by Wells Fargo does come as Oracle's 5-year CDS hit the highest since 2009. So there are some lingering worries over the amount of debt Oracle is going to have to take on to fund their cloud ambitions.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.